Good morning, students. This video is for class 4 science, and if you remember, we have already finished off with our explanation. Today we will start with the exercise. So the chapter name is friction as a force. So let us begin with the exercise today. Fill in the blanks. Question number A is fill in the blanks. Number 1. Friction is a force that dash motion, that opposes motion, that tries to stop the movement of the moving object. So you write here opposes motion. Friction is the force that opposes motion. Next, friction provides a grip that is necessary for dash and dash. Friction provides a grip that is necessary for stability, that means being stable, and motion. So first option is stability and motion. Number 3. Materials like oil and grease used to reduce friction are called. So the materials, whatever materials are used, not only oil and grease but also powder, wheel, which reduces friction are known as, not wheel but the things, the material that are used to reduce friction like oil, grease, mobile and all, they are known as lubricants. Lubricants. Next, number 4. Friction between the dash and the dash helps the car to stop when brake is applied. So friction, when you drive a car and you apply the brake, the friction between the brake and the wheel, that actually stops the car immediately. So it will be friction between the brakes and wheel. So when you apply the brake immediately stops the wheel and the car will not move anymore. Number 5. Tires of vehicles are traded to increase. So you see, whenever you see the tires, they are grooved, they are cut down, or you will see some small, very small rubber being put on the tire, that is traded. So it is actually used to increase the friction between the tire, surface of the tire and the surface of the road or street. So please copy this down first. Copy it, children. Now I'm erasing. Now question number B. Question number B. True or false? True or false? Number 1. Friction is a force that occurs only between solid. No. Friction is a force that occurs not only between solid but it also occurs between liquid and gas. So the answer is false. Number 2. Friction occurs when surfaces touch each other. Yes, when friction will only occur when the surface of both the object in contact, then only friction will occur. So the statement is true. Number 3. The smaller the object, the greater is the friction. False. The greater the object, the greater will be the friction. So the object answer is false. Number 4. Heat of lamp or electric stove is because of friction. True. Number 5. Lubricants are used to completely remove friction. Yes. Sorry. The lubricants are used to not completely but reduce the amount of friction. So the statement is false. Next, number 6. Friction causes wear and tear of machine parts. That means breakage of machine parts. The answer is true. It causes depreciation to the machine parts. So all of you remember, as you have been doing so long, you will copy the question for fill in the blanks, true and false, everything, and then only you will write the answers. So please write it with neat and clean handwriting. For today we will keep it till here. In the next class I will write the answers for the remaining questions. So for today up to this much. Thank you class.